Okay, John, can you tell me what brought you to SPAR this year and whether this is your first SPAR?
This would be our fourth SPAR, and we've seen this show grow in so many directions. We are an interiors contractor, and we see the LiDAR business as a verification tool for validating what we bid on the job, the accuracy of the prints against the real situation of the floors themselves, the substructure. What we intend to do is we are going to scan the building as it goes up, quantify those differences, and be able to generate automated RFIs so that when we hit the job, we are hitting the job running with the answers to questions that we normally have to ferret out or bury in the normal course of construction.
And you're picking up the tab for this work, so this is an expense to you. And why is it important to you?
Well, the cost of not doing it is more expensive than doing it in itself. So this would be a added function in our normal RFI lack of productivity that gets eaten up in ferreting out these issues.
And tell me what's been most interesting to you here at SPAR. What sessions, what products on the exhibit floor?
Well, there's a few things. It's very interesting how this whole notion of 3D scanning is getting to be open source, Googleized, brought down to anyone with an iPhone can, in effect, 3D scan with open source software that's available combined with taking a few photographs of something. You end up having, in essence, good enough scans for spatial relationships. When you get into the products that are generally sold at this show, now we're getting into millimeter type dimensional industrial type systems that you would need in a construction environment. So what we're seeing at the SPAR conference is two things. We're seeing, okay, there's going to be a lot of technology available to the masses, and that will bring a huge interest into this whole industry that will then field or basically man the future of LiDAR scanning.